So how we can change the settings of the visibility graphics? So here I open level 2, level 3, level 4 and level 5 analytical, and then I press WT or from view tab. I click on tile views, and then I can see level 2, 3 and 4 and 5 simultaneously. So right now I just want to observe the analytical lines in all of these views. I just want to apply the setting of the level 1. So in level 2, right click on level 2 analytical. Here you got an option create view template from view. I click on it and then I specify a name for it. Actually here I paste the analytical in this way and then I click on OK, and after that I click on OK. After that I select level 3, 4 and 5, which are analytical models, and then right click and then apply view template. And after that, here in apply view template, I select analytical as I have specified, and then I click on apply properties. And right now all of the settings of the level 2 have been applied on other levels in this way. Here if I open level 4, I can see the solid columns in this way, but in level 4 analytical I can observe the analytical lines, or a kind of analytical view. So in this way you can modify the settings of the visibility graphics. But you may don't want to have these levels in the at the same group. So we are able to classify these levels. For example, we can divide analytical levels to separate analyticals from others. So to do this, we should customize the project browser. So to do this, here from view tab and then the panel of user interface, so I open it, and then from keyboard shortcuts, browser organization, and then from view tab I can control them. Let me click on cancel for a moment. Actually here from manage tab and project parameters, I want to create a parameter for this, and then I click on add in this way. And then I specify the name of the parameter. For example, I specify the name view type, and then I specify comment for discipline and text as type in this way, in identity data as group, and then I specify the category and views actually I want. So I check views in this list, and then I check hide unchecked categories to make sure, and then instance I've checked, and then OK in this way. So right now if you open each of the levels, you can find view type as a new parameter in identity data here. So right now I select these analytical models in this way, 5 levels, and then from view type I name them analytical in this way, and then apply. Check this out, and then for physical models I select them, and then I specify the name geometrical for example in this way, or geometric. Apply. Then after doing this, from view tab and then user interface, browser organization, or just click on views all here, as you can see, right click and then open browser organization. So I click on it. After that I check discipline in this way, and then I click on edit. After that, at the tab of grouping and sorting, so in this way we can organize the project browser. For example, you can specify a group based on discipline, and then family and type, and then for example based on the view type in this way, as you can see on this screen. Or you can create a new browser organization in this way. You can specify a name for it, for example Iran-BIM or whatever, it doesn't matter, team, and then OK. In grouping and sorting I specify view type for the group, and then discipline, and then based on family and type. So we did the grouping, and after that is sort. Right now the levels are ordered by name, and actually I may rename the levels, and since the Revit is sorting the levels based on alphabetic order, so if I modify the names, the levels will be mixed up. but I want to sort them based on their height. So here in browser organization properties, in sort by based on associated level. In this way, as you can see, sort by associated level. And then OK. I check Iran Beam Team and then apply. Check this out. You will see the name. You can see the name of Iran Beam Team. And actually here the exclamation marks, as you can see, it's because of not specifying a type for this. So since it is not specified, it is shown with exclamation marks. And the view type is empty, as you can see. So empty, I mean exclamation mark means empty. So here we don't have ceiling plan. So I delete these items. And then in 3D view model, I specify analytical for view type. And then in elevation, I specify geometric. Apply in this way. And after that, I specify the site. Let me see here. Here in view type, geometric, and then apply. So right now, as you can see, they are the analytical levels and the physical levels are divided, and I can close the analyticals as not being distracted. And here I got physical model levels. Here actually I click on tab views to maximize it, and actually here you got an icon named close inactive views. So if I click on it, check this out, all of the views are closed. So in level 1, so again I click on close inactive view to close the level 4, and I delete these elements and then zoom fit. Don't forget to select zoom fit from this list to specify your framework. And after that we're gonna start our project by using Ox or Grid.